Good afternoon. My name is Ed Sorich, the Director and Founder of GLIA Diagnostics. GLIA has a technology defining traumatic brain injury, including both its diagnosis and prognosis. Added to the immeasurable societal burdens, the annual cost of TBI globally is $300 billion. There are 69 million presentations, of which 90% are classified as mild TBIs or concussions. Ultimately, 1 in 2 people will suffer a TBI in their lifetime. 30% will have protracted issues lasting weeks to months, not to mention premature dementia and CTE. There is currently no FDA-approved device for TBI diagnosis or treatment. With the current use of subjective testing, a significant amount of these TBIs are misdiagnosed, and maybe most shockingly perhaps, not provided a definitive prescription. Quite simply, when you leave the site of your primary diagnosis, you are essentially in no person's land. There is an absolute need for a diagnostic, but just as importantly, a clearer path to recovery. This is GLIA's point of difference. So GLIA's vision is to provide a clear and objective diagnostic test, the personalised prescription, and markedly decreased burden. All this will be achieved by the use of proprietary microRNA biomarkers married to a novel point of care device, providing a result within 20 minutes using a finger stick blood test. GLIA will empower the practitioner by providing an objective, quantitative result. The point of care device, as seen on the slide here in situ, will provide a rapid diagnosis, a personalised prescription, and ultimately a safe return to activity. All this will markedly reduce healthcare costs related to current patient management. So regarding GLIA's team, we have a mix of highly qualified and appropriately equipped people across relevant disciplines. The mix will build on the scientific validation, but also drive the next important regulatory and commercialization phase. On a similar note, we have collaborated with a number of eminent stakeholders, helping to validate GLIA's true value. At the beginning of the GAP Blitz program, we simply thought our gap was to find the right funder or commercial partner. Post 10 weeks of the program and a number of pivots, we are now defining our gap as basically re-engaging with the CSIRO to build a minimum viable product and to target specific funders. All of this to optimise our commercialisation pathway. Moving forward in 2024, we plan to formally re-engage with the CSIRO, secure funding, and ultimately complete the manufacture of the point of care platform in 2025-26. So thank you for your time and interest. As I can't personally be there today, please find my contact details on the slide. I look forward to receiving feedback and continuing the conversation in the near future.